Hey peeps! Welcome back to your Sweet Life channel. This is Maggie and the Salvadors bringing you to the Sugamo area in Tokyo, Japan. We arrived 7:43 p.m. Japan time and we were able to go out of the airport by 9 p.m. We were quite slow because we lined up past the currency exchange after the immigration. We were met by Cherry Tomato Travel Services and we booked our transfers at Universal Holidays sa Manila. Here we go. There is about an hour and 10 minutes drive from Narita Airport to Sugamo. So what to expect in this video? We'll be sharing what's in Sugamo, the nearby sites to see and experience, where to eat, and of course, how to go about Tokyo from subways and the rail station. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Paki-like and share na rin so you get the first dibs to my upcoming vlogs. So, sabihin ko na ngayon, we booked our accommodations through booking.com. It's around 50,000 pesos for 5 persons for 4 nights. So, good deal talaga. Touchdown, Sugamo Winko Residences at 10:10 in the evening. So, room tour muna tayo. We're at the 5th floor, room 501. So, keyless ang check-in. Wala ring reservations or receptionist downstairs. So, kami na ang bahalang umakyat sa room namin. The password were sent via email by the owner of this unit through booking.com. Quick room tour muna tayo. So, pagpasok mo sa door, to the left would be the comfort room. So, we have a Japanese toilet seat. Free na yung mga bathroom tissue. And merong mga buttons doon sa right side. So, ang friend mo ay si Google Translate for you to understand ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng mga buttons na to. To your right naman is yung shower area. Ang maganda dito, naka-separate room pa rin yung shower. This is the sink. Pwede kang mag-toothbrush, mag-makeup, or whatever. Mayroon silang bathtub. May hot and cold na shower. And kumpleto ito sa toiletries. So, panalo, diba? You can make coffee or tea. May blower, may microwave, at may mini ref. Ito naman yung kanilang built-in na cabinet where you can put your luggages and clothes. In the room, meron tayong 2 queen-size bed, 2 single bed. Ito yung veranda. Bukas na natin sisilipin yan kasi gabi na. So, ito yung setup ng buong kwarto. Hi! We've arrived 15 minutes ago. So, ngayon, dito na kami sa lobby. Hinintay namin si Daddy at mga ibang kasama ko here in Japan. So, we're staying at Sugamo Winko Residences. It's at Sugamo Station. Malapit lang siya, mga 5 minutes away. And, lalabas kami ngayon. It's 10 in the evening kasi hindi pa kami nagde-dinner. So, hopefully, may mga open pang mga fast food or restaurants. And we will also try and go to Sugamo Station so that we can already buy our PASMO at saka kung ano pa yung mga pass na kailangan namin. Yun lang. Thanks! Yan, mayroon 2 Family Mart na malapit dun mismo sa Sugamo Winko. And this one, ito yung nasa main area, katapat siya ng Sugamo Station. Ibang-iba yung Family Mart dito sa Philippines. Grabing dami ng food choices and mukhang authentic Japanese talaga siya lahat. They're also affordable, surprisingly. So yeah, magkakaroon yata tayo ng maraming convenience store experiences kasi we plan to buy also our food for breakfast sa convenience store para in the morning di na namin kailangan mag-spend ng time to look for restaurants or to order food before kami umalis at mag-visit sa iba't ibang mga theme parks. So ayan, ang yummy nila lahat. Grabe. Pati yung ramen nila, when we got home, iba yung lasa as compared sa mga ramen na nabibili natin sa grocery stores in Manila. Okay, dinner time! So, see you again all tomorrow. Kain muna kami. We slept well, so mga alauna na siguro. And now, nagbe-breakfast na kami to start the day early. Good morning! Good morning! This is the view from our veranda. We're staying at the topmost of Sugamo Winco Residences. Grabe, ang peaceful. It's 7 in the morning, Saturday. There's no rush, pero mamaya tingnan natin pagdating sa subway. One thing I like also dito sa pinagstayan namin is ang daming instructional material. So, ito kung paano mag-operate ng TV, ng CR, ng aircon. Andito lahat yung instructions and meron din siyang English for easy reference. So, plus points talaga to sa owners nitong Sugamo Winco. And meron din silang mga pictures of tourist sites na malapit lang sa Sugamo. And how can you go there. So, pwede mo ring i-scan to using Google Translate for you to be able to see ano yung mga pangalan ng mga lugar na pwede mong puntahan within the area. Now, here's the sightseeing and how do we get there. So, aside from informational materials tungkol sa room, meron ding tungkol sa destinations, diba? Grabe, pinaghandaan talaga nila. Thank you so much. So, ito yung nearest train station. Actually, 3 to 5 minutes walk away from the from the hotel mismo. And then, ito yung mga destinations na pupuntahan namin later. And may mga do's and don'ts. Yung trash nila nga pala dito, ha guys. Nakahiwalay dapat yung biodegradable sa non-biodegradable. What else? Yeah, ito yung itsura ng hotel outside in the morning. Tapos meron ding mga dito, scooter na pwedeng i-rent. So, a few meters away is our first stop. 1 minute walk lang from where we're staying and located about 3 minutes walk from JR Sugamo Station. It's called Shinshoji Temple. So, once you walk through the gate, you will immediately see the giant Jizo statue beside the stairs to the temple. This Jizo were meant to give protection to travelers on the roads. So, it's just right that this is our first stop. So, safe travels for everyone. Now, here is the Sugamo Shopping District. It's called Jizodori Shopping Street. Close pa yung mga stall because it's so early. 7:30 a.m. pa lang. But from 9 a.m. until 7 p.m., you'd see a lot of shops here. If you like Japanese sweets and snacks, you have come to the right place. So, quick trivia. The name Sugamo literally means duck nest. And the mascot of the area is a Sugamon, a cute duck whom you can find around all the neighborhood. We are staying at Sugamo Winco Residences. Actually, yung surroundings nito used to be known as the Harajuku for old ladies and is a popular spot among senior citizens. True enough, we saw a lot of seniors when we were there, so it's safe to say that the area is good for multi-generational travels. Now, here is the entrance to Koganji Temple in the middle of Jizodori. Mga 300 meters away rin lang siya from the Shinshoji Temple and 5 minutes walk away from the hotel that we're staying. There is a statue on the grounds that you can wash with the water there. It is also said that rubbing the statue's body part that is bothering you or yung meron kang iniinda or masakit, it will cure you of any pain. It is known to wash away ailments if you pour water on the statue and then polish with a cloth the same part of the statue na you need healing. So, ayan. Maaga pa eh. So, sarado pa rin yung mga shops and hindi masyadong matao. So, good thing na rin that we were able to witness this without so many tourists around. Yan yung statue. So, yung water is nandun lang siya. Yan. Dito sa side na to. So, you have to pour it on the statue kung saan masakit. Then, you wipe it with the cloth. Okay, balik na tayo. Dahil we have to eat our early lunch along the areas of Sugamo Station. So, ito ang Burger King. Tingnan natin what is the difference between Manila and Japan Burger King. So, ganito kami sa mga restaurants na pinupuntahan namin. We make use of Google Translate para ma-translate yung Japanese characters into English. And then, we save it on our phone, go to the cashier, order it from there, based dun sa photo namin from the Google Translate. So, paalis na tayo ng Sugamo, punta naman tayo ng Tokyo. We're on our way to the railway station. Dalawang railway lines meron dito sa area ni Sugamo. Yung Yamanote Line, tsaka Toei-Mita Line. So, ayan. So, for our Tokyo stay, we're going to visit Ueno, Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Tokyo. So, very strategic yung location natin. If you have reached this part of the video, maraming salamat and hope to see you soon sa susunod na vlog. If you are planning to go to Japan, make sure to watch my vlog on tips of how to go to Japan. And this has been Maggie. Please help me create more informational travel videos. Like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you'd know when there's a new vlog coming. Arigatou gozaimasu and see you sa Hop on Hop of Tokyo adventure namin in the next few days. Safe travels everyone and be kind always. Bye!